Thinking about launching another project or expanding your brand? Creating a second website on Hostgator is easier than most people think, and I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading over to hostgator.com. Once the homepage loads, jump straight to the top right corner and click the Sign In button. Enter your username and password to access your dashboard. Having those credentials ready will save you time. After you log in, you'll land on the main Hostgator dashboard. This is where everything related to your hosting, domains, and sites lives. Take a quick look around if you're not familiar with the layout, but our focus is creating that second website. Now, find and click on the website section. This area is dedicated to managing and building your sites. Once you're in, you'll see a panel showing any websites you've already created. Right here is where you'll add the new one. Look for the Add Site button. It's usually front and center. Click it, and HostGator will take you to the setup screen for your new website. This is the fun part. You'll be prompted to choose or assign a domain name for the new site, and you may see options to install plugins or add features depending on the platform you're using, like WordPress. Just follow the prompts, select the settings that fit your project, and complete the setup wizard. HostGator does a great job guiding you through the essentials without overwhelming you. Once everything is confirmed, your second website will be created and listed right alongside your original one. From here, you can start designing, updating content, or customizing it however you want. And the best part, you can repeat this process whenever you want to add more sites. That's all it takes to launch a second website on HostGator. If this helped you get your next project off the ground, stick around for more quick guides and tips to level up your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.